If you want to uninstall apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have two main ways to do so. If you have the apps screen or app drawer, then you can simply press and hold your finger on the app, and then you should have the uninstall option. So you can select uninstall in order to quickly remove the app from your device. If you don't have the app screen, then you can do the same thing in the home screen instead. But if you do have the home screen, then you have only remove option, which removes the app from the home screen but not from the phone. The second method that allows you to get rid of the app is by going to settings. Then in the settings you want to scroll down, find apps and choose it. There we go. And over here we have the list of all apps that we have installed on our phone. So now we need to select whatever we want to uninstall. So let's say this app over here. And then we have uninstall option at the bottom. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!